Hey everyone! Are you ready to dive into the world of backpacking? Whether you're planning your first trip or just looking to refine your gear, I've got some essential tips that'll make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. First up, let's talk about the heart of your gear, the backpack. Now, I can't stress this enough. Invest in a good quality backpack. Look for one with a sternum strap and a hip belt. These features might not sound like much, but they'll distribute the weight evenly, saving your back on those long treks. Trust me, your future self will thank me. Next, consider packing a second, smaller backpack. This one's for when you reach your destination. You can leave your main gear at the hostel and take this light backpack on shorter excursions. Just make sure it's compact and of good quality. Nothing ruins a day out like a broken bag. Lastly, let's chat about compression packing cubes. If you haven't used these yet, you're missing out. They not only help organize your stuff into neat sections, but also save a ton of space. And unlike vacuum bags, these are durable and can be reused for many trips. Personally, I wouldn't pack without them. So there you have it, 3 backpacking essentials that are game changers. Happy packing and safe travels. Until next time, keep exploring and remember, every journey starts with a single step, or in this case, a well-packed backpack.